I'm Rhiannon from BBQ Spit Rotisseries, and today we're cooking a deboned lamb shoulder on the Espetosul Rotisserie. Here we have a 1.2 kilo lamb shoulder which has already been deboned and netted by the butcher. You can cook with the bone in, but I personally find it easier to cook and carve with the bone removed. Today we're seasoning our deboned lamb shoulder with the traditional lamb rub by Flaming Coals. To add the maximum amount of flavour, I like to remove the net so you can get the rub all through the meat. Once you've seasoned both sides, roll it back up and put the netting back on. For a piece of lamb this size, I'm expecting a cook time of about 1 hour. So it's on the skewer, let's fire up the coals and get cooking. Today we're using Flaming Coals natural lump charcoal for that authentic smoky flavour. Make sure you have a pair of heat-proof gloves and a charcoal rake to move the coals around. Now this charcoal is piping hot, so it's time to pour it into the kettle. Let me give you a quick rundown on the Espetosul. It's rated to cook up to 5 kilos at a time, operates using just 4 AA batteries, and you'll get 50 hours cook time. It's portable, lightweight and easy to store, and it's made from 304 food grade stainless steel, so it's super simple to keep clean. To keep the lamb nice and moist, I like to baste with a mixture of 50-50 lemon juice and olive oil every 20 minutes or so. So our lamb's been cooking now for about 1 hour and it's looking and smelling absolutely delicious. Now while it looks great on the outside, the only way to tell if it's actually cooked is to use a thermometer and check the internal temperature. Now for lamb, I like to get my internal temperature to 60 degrees Celsius. Perfect, we're done. It's time to get it off the charcoal. So we've taken our lamb off the fire. Simply remove it from the Espetosul, wrap in alfoil and let it sit for about 15 minutes. So our lamb shoulder has been resting for 15 minutes. So let's cut the net off and slice it up. So there you have it, a deboned lamb shoulder cooked using the Espetosul Rotisserie over an S&S kettle, rubbed in Flaming Coals traditional lamb rub and fueled by Flaming Coals lump charcoal. There's only one thing left to do. See how this goes. That's really moist.